as fuck.
I wasn't even looking at my camera.
Are those Brand's glasses? Yeah. Oh, I want to get a picture. Do something gay. This is going to be hilarious. Ding.
Let me have something. Dad? Dad? She wants to take a picture with your hat on.
Alright, babe. Come here!
You're so stupid.
What are we doing?
What are you doing? Leave me alone. What are you doing? Go back and put your cutie shirt on. We're going to take a picture together.
No.
Please take a picture with anybody but Eddie out! Who dropped their hand? They're dressing in the floor. He takes a picture with anybody but me. You want a picture with Daddy?